Hello everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you Salesforce CRM complete walkthrough for beginners. Okay, first you'll have to go and sign in into your account. Then you want to go to accounts on the top left side right here. And once you go to accounts here, you can simply click on new in order to create a new project or a new account. And now you can add the account name, the website, the type, description, and parent account. And once you're all done and satisfied, you can simply hit the save. And I forgot to tell you that you can actually add a billing address, billing street, billing city, the IP code, and so on. And now once you click on the save button, here you will find this dashboard. And you can add multiple customer accounts or leads. And now you can simply toggle this option on to show the activities with insights for this project. And you can click on show all activities. And here you have some settings. You can, for example, schedule a meeting. You can add some tasks. You can log a call, or you can add an event to your calendar. And now let me show you exactly how to schedule a meeting. Simply click on this arrow beside the new event and choose set my meeting availability. And here you have all the days of the week and all the times. You can simply choose the time in order to schedule the meeting. And this depends on our availability time. Once the meeting details are entered, Salesforce allows you to send invitations to attendees. This can include email notifications with meeting details and calendar invites. The good thing is that Salesforce can integrate with popular email and calendar applications, ensuring that meeting details are synchronized across platforms and providing a unified view of your schedule. And once you are satisfied with the time and the setting, you can simply click on Save Changes. And now, similarly, we're going to add a contact. So go on the top left side, click on Contact, then click on the New button on the top right side. And now you will have to add the name, the account type or the account name, and the title, and so on. Then click on Save. And here you have it as a contact. And by hitting the Show All Activities, your team will be able to see all of the meetings, calls, or tasks scheduled for this contact. And the good thing is that you can upload some photos or files to your own contact or to your own project by clicking on upload files right here, and you can choose whatever file that you need from your computer. Now, another thing that you can actually create is the opportunities. You have to go and click on sales, then go and click on opportunities. And here you can add the opportunity name. And of course, this happened after you click on new opportunity on the right side right here. Add the opportunity name, account name, close date, amount, description. Then when you scroll down more, here you have the status, the stage, probability, forecast category, and the next step. Once you are done, click on save. And after saving, you can review the opportunity details and make any necessary updates. This includes updating the stage as the opportunity progresses through the sales pipeline online. If you're working in a team, you can add team members who are involved in working on this opportunity. This could include sales representatives, managers, or any other stakeholders. Salesforce is also known for integrating and managing email marketing campaigns. It offers various email templates by which you can create email lists for your contacts. By clicking on the new email template option, you will get this form. So simply when you go to Outreach, then by clicking on new email template, you'll get this pop-out rectangle. You can add here the email template name, the related entity type, the description, folder, and the message content. Once you are satisfied, hit the save button. And the good thing is that in the back end, you can go to Outreach and upload some files that are related to this project. And you can even create a new cases by clicking on service, then go to click on cases, then go and click on the new button right here. And now you'll have only to fill in the gaps. So add the status, case origin, priority, account name, contact information, description information, and click on save. And now we have the calendar section where you can actually schedule a meeting or add an event. So you just have to click on new event and enter the start date, the end date and time, set your time and date, enter the subject name or the description. And down below, when you scroll down more, you can even add the people who are attendees to this meeting. You can even add related records. And once you have saved it, you can easily see this event in your Salesforce calendar. Salesforce automatically logs the meeting as an activity in the associated records, providing a comprehensive view of interactions with a particular contact account or opportunity after the meeting. You can log follow-up actions, update records, and track any outcomes. or next steps discussed during the meeting. And here on the top, you have also two more sections, which is the reports section and the dashboards section. Accessing reports and dashboards helps in data-driven decision making, and businesses of all sizes can choose Salesforce to improve their connections with customers and make their sales and marketing activities more efficient on that. And that is it for today's video. I hope it was useful to you all, guys. For more useful videos of this kind, please support us with like and subscribe, and see you in a new tutorial.